Welcome everyone to today's Yoga Flow session, dedicated to enhancing flexibility and relieving stress. Before we begin, find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, gently open your eyes and let's start with some gentle neck rolls. Inhale as you roll your head to the right, exhale as you bring it back to center and continue to the left. Feel the tension melting away with each roll. Now let's transition into cat-cow pose to warm up the spine. Inhale as you arch your back, and exhale as you round your spine like a scared cat. Flow with your breath, finding a rhythm that feels good for you. Next, we'll move into downward facing dog. Plant your palms firmly on the mat, lift your hips towards the sky, and straighten your legs, forming an inverted V shape. Pedal out your feet to stretch the calves and hamstrings. Now let's flow into a sequence to enhance flexibility and release tension. Inhale, lift your right leg high for three-legged dog. Exhale, step it forward into a low lunge. Inhale, rise up into warrior one, reaching your arms overhead and sinking into the lunge. Exhale, open into warrior two, extending your arms parallel to the ground and gazing over your front fingertips. Continue to flow through these poses, syncing your breath with your movements. Remember to listen to your body and honor where you're at today. As we come towards the end of our practice, let's come down to the mat for some seated stretches. Extend your legs out in front of you and reach forward for a seated forward fold, allowing your spine to lengthen and your hamstrings to gently stretch. Finally, let's conclude our practice with a few moments of relaxation in Savasana. Lie down on your back, close your eyes, and let go of any remaining tension. Allow yourself to fully surrender to the present moment. Thank you all for joining me in this yoga flow for flexibility and stress relief. Remember, you have the power to find peace and balance within yourself anytime you need it. Until next time, namaste.